So guys, after cleaning my fish, I make sure that I rinse it in some vinegar and lemon juice. Next, I go in with my seafood seasoning, my black pepper and my salt. The seafood seasoning is optional, but you can just go ahead and use black pepper and salt. After my oil is heated, I just go in with my fish and I make sure that they're fried properly on both sides. Next, I go in and I prepared my julienne carrots, onions, Scotch bonnet pepper, bell peppers, and also I have some brown sugar and some vinegar. The brown sugar is optional, but it does balance out the harshness of the vinegar, so it's best if you add it. I just use a small amount of oil from frying the fish and I saute all my vegetables and add my vinegar, and I just cover it down and let it simmer down for a little bit. Then I pour everything onto my fish. Please check out the full tutorial for this video on my channel. I did eat this with some cocoa bread. You can check out the cocoa bread recipe as well. Thank you for watching. Bye.